DR Sort 44, Greek and Latin roots. Let's sort the words and then discuss them. Medicine, sensation, sympathy, apathy, soliloquy, solo, remedy, med, telepathy, dissent, antipathy, sentiment, solitaire, remedial, desolate, empathy, pathetic, sensitivity, solitude, metic, pathology, medivac, sensational, isolate, and soul. There we go. So what do you think path means? Does it mean to take a road through the forest? No, these words have to do with two things. We have disease, or it also has evolved into feeling. Could mean either of those things. Sympathy means you're feeling sorry for somebody, which as opposed to empathy, which means you feel like you're in their shoes, you have felt it before, you really can feel the pain that someone else is having. Sympathy just means, I feel sorry for you. Apathy, the here means not, so it means without feeling, not feeling. Telepathy, this is the far away part, so feeling far away. The anti here means against, so that would be feeling against something. Pathetic means that you are arousing pity. It's kind of makes you feel sorry for them. And pathology, the ology part means to study, so this means the study of disease. Over here on sense, this means sense. It also can mean opinion. Sensation, dissent. That would be like the dis is not being against something, a different opinion. Sentiment has to do with your opinion about something. Sensitivity has to do more of a feeling, your senses. And sensational would be a great feeling as well. Med means just what you think it means. Something about medicine, to heal. When a doctor gives you medicine, it means they're taking appropriate measures. It actually used to come from a word called measure, so they're trying to heal you. Remedy, of course, is trying to heal you as well. Remedial, you kind of have this again thing, but remedial has a couple meanings. It could mean to remedy something, or a remedial surgery, or it could be classes that you take to review material. Medivac, let's see, that's down here. Evac comes from evacuation, to evacuate people out of an area to take care of them for medical. And a medic is a person who does medicine. And soul, well, very closely related to solo. It means alone. So, of course, solo means that you're alone. Maybe you play an instrument by yourself, or you go somewhere by yourself. A soliloquy is when you're speaking alone. You hear that word in theater a lot, when maybe they'll sing a soliloquy. A solitaire is a game that you play by yourself. Desolate is when maybe you're way out somewhere in the wilderness or in the desert and it's all desolate out there. Solitude has to do with being by yourself. To isolate means to put one thing by itself. And the sole, this kind of sole, there's another homophone for sole. This sole just means the bottom of one of your feet.